Hello everybody, so welcome to the first moving vlog. So we are still in Byron Bay right now. It is currently Saturday and we move to Brisbane on Monday, but we're not moving into our apartment until Friday. We're just going to Brisbane early to try and sort out some work. I need to sort out some of my clothes because there's a lot of clothes that I have that I don't wear, but I don't really know what to do with them because, like, if I was in the UK I'd try and put them on Depop or something, but I don't think we have Depop in Australia. I don't know if we have anything like similar, so I need to look if we have anything similar because I need to sort out a lot of my clothes. I might just put them on eBay or something to see if they sell, because I have some stuff that's still like nice, you know, otherwise I'll just give it away. But I could do with getting some money for some of it because some of it's still quite nice. So yeah, I need to sort out a lot of my clothes, and we need to like sort out some washing before we go and sort out our CVs, like print some of those as well. So I'm going to sort out I think a few of my clothes right now because that's probably the longest thing that's going to take me to do. So I'm going to set you up and I'm going to sort out a load of my clothes. Hey! Hello!
She's not the only dog in this property.
I have pretty much finished packing this suitcase. I think I'm going to try and put either a makeup bag or a wash bag here, but I do have another smaller suitcase under here which I'm going to take. I'm going to put like my shoes and then possibly another wash bag or something in there. But this is the bag of clothes that I don't really want anymore, so I might just give it to the charity shop because it's only like one bag. I thought I'd have more than that, but I wanted to keep quite a lot of things. So me and Josh are only going to take one suitcase because, as I said in our moving video, I said that we'd only be staying for a month unless we find jobs like early on, then we can stay for longer and we can extend our stay. So I'm only going to bring one suitcase, but I'm going to pack a second suitcase with these clothes down here, and then if we can definitely stay for longer than a month, then I'm going to ask Josh's auntie to bring up the second suitcase. So yes, that's all packed. I've just been editing my CV a bit. I was going to show it to you, but it's got my address and stuff on it, so I won't show it to you. But I've just been editing that, and then I've got two CVs because I have one to do with, like, basically when I was at uni I studied media and TV, so I have like a media and TV CV, and then I have a different CV to do with like my customer service jobs, like when I worked in retail and I've worked in a supermarket and waitressing, so they don't really go together. So I have two different CVs, so I've just been editing both of those because I might apply for some customer service roles, most likely, but I might apply for a few media ones. So that's what I've been doing. It is now 5:30, so it might cook dinner soon. You bored? Josh is editing his CV. Do you not want to do it anymore?
No. It's not fun.
No. But are you excited to go?
Yes.
Josh doesn't get excited for things, so he's lying.
No, I'm not.
He says you don't get excited for stuff.
I do, but I'm not excited whilst I'm writing this.
Yeah.
No, it'll be fun.
Yeah, I'm excited. I just really want to find a job, so hopefully it happens.
It'll be nice to live like the Australian city sort of lifestyle.
Yeah, I said that in my video.
Yeah, for at least a month or something.
Yeah. I'll probably like carry on doing the rest of like packing and put a wash on tomorrow, because I'd rather like hang washing out to dry instead of using the tumble dryer, and it's currently raining today, but if it's sunny tomorrow then can just hang it out to dry, otherwise I have to put it in the tumble dryer tomorrow. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. And I think that's like all we have left to do. Just need to like print out some of these CDs. We don't have anything else to do we, Josh?
I have to pack.
Yeah, but that's it.
Yeah, that's about it.
Yeah. Alright, well, I will probably finish this vlog tomorrow, so I'll end this part here, because I'm not really doing anything else packing wise today. So I'll speak to you guys in the morning for our last day in Byron. Unless we come back. Bye, see you tomorrow. Good morning everyone. So it is now Sunday and we leave to go to Brisbane tonight. So we need to finish everything we need to do. I'm really upset because I've lost a shirt, and like I wear this shirt quite a lot and it was quite expensive, so I'm annoyed I've lost it. Like I just don't know where it is, because it should be hung up in the wardrobe but it's not, and it's not like I would fold it because it's a shirt, and I remember hanging it up. So I don't know where that's gone, so I'm kind of annoyed if I can't find that. But hopefully I'll find it when like the room's all like cleared, but I'm pretty sure I haven't packed it yet. Like I feel like I'd remember packing it, and I'm pretty sure I hadn't like got stuff down from the wardrobe to pack, so yeah, hopefully I find it later. But anyway, I'm just gonna try and print some of my CDs. Obviously like in our Airbnb, I'm like 95% sure we're not gonna have a printer, because it's just not really something you have in an Airbnb. So we need to print our CVs here, but like I don't know how many to print, because it's the kind of thing like I don't want to use like loads of paper and ink and then not use them, but then like I don't want to not have enough, because we don't have the option to print any more. So I'm thinking maybe like 25. Even that doesn't sound like a lot, but then like when you think about the amount of ink and paper that's going to use up, it's probably quite a lot. But I guess I could just email my CV to like a lot of places as well. I think I'm gonna do 20 or 25 of my customer service one, and then maybe like 5 of my media one, because I really don't think I'm gonna apply for a lot of media roles. So yeah, I'm just gonna try and print some of these now. Waiting for Josh, because I'm not really sure how to use the printer by myself, but he'll know how to do that. So I'll probably wait for him to come back until I do that. So I'm gonna go finish packing. Let me see Ali. Are you sad because your mum and dad have gone out? I will leave her alone now. Here's my CV. So I've printed out like 20 of those. And so has Josh.
It's true.
And now I need to pack my second suitcase and pack all of my wash bag things and try and find my shirt. It's a lot to find. But I'm getting concerned that I left it in like a restaurant or something, because I don't remember hanging it up.
It's my favourite shirt.
It's my only shirt, but you never know, it might turn up. I hope it does. Okay, let's go finish packing. Why did I bring so much stuff? Okay, so I've pretty much nearly finished packing, so let me flip you around. Okay, so this suitcase is my second suitcase I'm going to leave here, and oh my god, I've got so much stuff. So I've had to put this much stuff in this suitcase, and I've only got this little bit for Josh, but I do have a lot more stuff than Josh, so hopefully that's okay. And then this suitcase is full. I've got like a little section there, but I think I'm going to put these chargers in there. I've got this rucksack, which doesn't have a lot of stuff in. It's got like leaves on it. It doesn't have a lot of stuff in, but I obviously then also have half of this suitcase, so I have way too much stuff. If you're about to go travelling, even though you're allowed a 30kg suitcase to get here, don't bring that, because I was like, well, I've got so much weight limit, I may as well just use it up. But like, it's annoying to have this much stuff, so I would not recommend that. I'm pretty much done. We just need to like put a wash on, and then don't know what I'm gonna do with those clothes. Hopefully they'll fit in there. maybe some in this little pink suitcase as well. Yeah, and then I'm finished. Oh, let me show you this little... Evie made me this for when I left, and I've kept it the whole time. Evie, it's gone everywhere with me, so I'm pretty sure Evie watches these videos, so I've still got it, Evie. I love it very much. But yeah, I'm just going to put these plugs away. I've just had some toast. Quite late really, I think it's like 1 o'clock. And Josh hasn't even started packing.
I've got hours.
Yeah, I just wanted to get it done. Okay, so I'm just going to put these plugs away, and then all I've got to do in the morning is put like the shampoo and conditioner in a wash bag, and I think I'm finished. Very happy about that. Hi everybody, it's been a while since I updated you. I have just filmed and edited a Q&A video. It's my first Q&A video and it would be up before this one, so if you want to watch that then it will be linked down below, and I'll put a card up if you want to go see that. We've also put our last lot of washing on. It's just in the tumble dryer drying now, and we've pretty much finished. Josh is almost finished. Here's this suitcase. Here's Josh. There's some more out there. Okay, so we have finished packing. I just have this suitcase down here that I need to finish putting like my wash bag in, and then we're all done.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you making fun of me?
Yeah.
But yes, we have finished. So we don't know if we're going to come back here. This could be our last night in Byron, but
who knows?
we don't know if it is. So anyway, that is the end of this video, because we're probably going to go to bed soon because we need to wake up at like, what time are we leaving? Leaving at 5. So we need to leave at, then we need to wake up at like 4 AM. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I feel like it was just me packing for a long time, but some people, I like to watch those, so some people might like to watch me do it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe, because I'll probably do another like moving vlog of us moving into our new place and unpacking it, and then I wanted to do like an apartment tour kind of video as well. So subscribe if you want to see those. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like if you did. Comment down below if you have any comments and I'll reply. That's the end.
Look at the lens. Stop looking at yourself.
I'm sorry, it's just hard. Goodbye.